Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical food processor, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from food processors, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best food processor from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart Food Processor 14 Cup Vegetable Chopper for Mincing Puree and Kneading Dough. The Cuisinart 14 Cup Food Processor is the ultimate kitchen companion for anyone who loves to cook. With a powerful 720-watt motor, this stainless steel vegetable chopper is designed to tackle all your food prep needs, from mincing and pureeing to kneading dough. The large 14-cup capacity bowl makes it perfect for big batches of dip, soup, sauces, salsa, and more. Featuring an extra-large feed tube, this food processor allows for both small and large ingredients to be fed in with ease, saving time and reducing prep work. It includes a variety of attachments, such as a stainless steel slicing disc, shredding disc, chopping blade, and a spatula. The easy-to-use on or off and pulse buttons, along with dishwasher-safe parts, ensure convenience and quick cleanup. Plus, with a full 5-year warranty, you can trust the durability and quality of this versatile kitchen tool, perfect for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. Number 2. MAGICCOS 14 Cup French Fry Cutter, Food Processor, Chopping, and Mixing Meat, Veggie Prep for Home Kitchen. Cuisinart 14 Cup Food Processor is the ultimate kitchen companion for anyone who loves to cook. With a powerful 720-watt motor, this stainless steel vegetable chopper is designed to tackle all your food prep needs, from mincing and pureeing to kneading dough. The large 14-cup capacity bowl makes it perfect for big batches of dips, soups, salsa, and more. Featuring an extra-large feed tube, this food processor allows for both small and large ingredients to be fed in with ease, saving time and reducing prep work. It includes a variety of attachments such as a stainless steel slicing disc, shredding disc, chopping blade, and a spatula. The easy-to-use on or off and pulse buttons, along with dishwasher-safe parts, ensure convenience and quick cleanup. Plus, with a full 5-year warranty, you can trust the durability and quality of this versatile kitchen tool, perfect for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. Number 3. KitchenAid Food Processor Attachment, Dicing Kit, Silver. The KitchenAid Food Processor Attachment with Dicing Kit is the perfect addition to your KitchenAid stand mixer, enhancing its versatility. This powerful attachment lets you dice, slice, shred, or julienne a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, and cheeses with ease. Featuring the exclusive Exact Slice system, you can quickly adjust from thick to thin slices with the external adjustable lever, ensuring precise and accurate results every time. The wide feed tube accommodates a variety of food sizes, minimizing prep work. The attachment includes a slicing disc, shredding disc, julienne disc, and dicing kit, along with a convenient storage case to keep everything organized. It connects directly to the power hub of any KitchenAid stand mixer, utilizing its motor to operate efficiently. Whether you're prepping for a big meal or simply making quick, healthy snacks, this attachment transforms your stand mixer into an all-in-one food processor. Enjoy faster, more consistent results in the kitchen. Number 4. Borlebbi Meat Slicer 200-watt electric food slicer with 2 removable 7.5-inch stainless steel blades. The Borlebbi Meat Slicer 200-watt electric food slicer is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool designed for slicing a variety of foods like meat, cheese, vegetables, and bread. Equipped with 2 removable 7.5-inch stainless steel blades, this slicer offers precise slicing with adjustable thickness settings ranging from 0 to 15 mm, making food prep effortless. The slicer's premium die-cast aluminum body ensures durability and rust resistance, while its compact size allows for easy storage. For added convenience, the slicer features a seamless and removable design, allowing for easy cleaning of the blade, food carriage, slide rod extension, and food pusher. Non-slip suction cup feet keep the slicer stable during use, and the food pusher doubles as a blade guard for added safety. Whether you're slicing meats for sandwiches or preparing cheese for a charcuterie board, the Borlebbi meat slicer is the perfect tool to enhance your kitchen efficiency. Number 5. FoodCycler Eco 5 award-winning home food processor and recycler kitchen countertop compost alternative. The FoodCycler Eco 5 is an award-winning home food processor and recycler that transforms kitchen waste into plant food with minimal effort. Perfect for busy households, this sleek, modern device quietly grinds food scraps into nutrient-rich compost, reducing waste, odors, and mess. Its innovative Vortec grinding system can handle everything from peels to bones, making it one of the most efficient compost alternatives available. The Eco 5 features a large 5L bucket capacity, allowing you to recycle up to 90% of food waste in just hours. Equipped with a refillable carbon filter, it ensures a completely odorless and quiet operation while you go about your day. With a simple one-tip button, the Eco 5 is easy to use, and its portable, removable bucket makes cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional composting and let the FoodCycler Eco 5 keep your kitchen clean and eco-friendly. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.